CH2, this is Cl. But just I am showing you CH3 like this. First base will come, strong base. It forms a bond here like this. Then these 2 electrons slowly shift here. Then these 2 electrons, this chlorine will take and goes outside. So this is called as anti-periplanar shift. Means all are in the same plane like but in opposite directions like this. Okay, opposite directions. So whenever opposite directions, no, this base come and abstract H plus, and then this 2 electrons shift here, and then that Cl goes out. It results in the formation of alkene. Simply to say, remove one H here, remove one chlorine here. But the must condition is both should be in opposite directions. Which both should be in opposite directions? Hydrogen and chlorine should be opposite. So let's say for example, 1H, 1 chlorine. Both results in the formation of goes out. Here no rearrangement, no ring expansion, no carbocation formation, nothing. If E2 comes in exam, you are very lucky, no need to do anything. Right there. No carbocation, no need to make a carbocation. No ring expansion, no ring contraction. Any of these 3, you should not do any of these 3. Okay? Then what will happen? Only just anti-elimination, must condition. This delta symbol stands for heating. Eth oxides, when you are heating, eth oxide is a strong base. So what will happen? Remove one chlorine, remove one hydrogen. Chandana, tell me.
मैम ऊपर वाला कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है लेकिन
क्या हुआ?
ऊपर वाला जो भी लिखा हुआ है वो दिख नहीं रहा है तो पता नहीं चल रहा है क्या लिखे.
आप एक ही को और पूरा लोगों को सेम.
मैम we cannot able to see what's written other.
That's what. Everybody are facing the same problem? No, it seems. Please leave and rejoin, Chandana.
I think screen is slightly tilted to some angle. That's why we are not able to see properly.
No, it seems. It is clear, it seems. Please check. Leave and rejoin. For me, small lag I am facing, but for you are not facing. But why I am worrying? Because when I am writing, I am feeling some discomfort. How it affects evening best, so I am thinking. Okay. But now these students not facing any problem. So leave and rejoin. If you have any problem, see now, eth oxide, when you are heating, what will happen? Anti-elimination reaction takes place, and here chlorine, here this chlorine and this hydrogen goes out. It results in the formation of one double bond here, or this chlorine and next hydrogen both goes out. It results in the formation of one double bond. So there are 2 products in this case. Ma'am, top also 2 products. No, both are same, na? This carbon is connected to same kind of hydrogens. So same carbons, so no problem. But in this case, what's happening? This chlorine connected carbon, one side 3 hydrogens, one side 2 hydrogens. Out of these 2 products, who will say which is a major according to Sagev? What is the Sagev's rule? Last class I told you. Which is a major, minor I want. This is A, this is B. Can you try which is what? A, B. Put in a chat. Shal Ram Patel.
Ma'am, B, ma'am.
B is, why B is a major? How you identify?
6 alpha hydrogen.
Very good. 6 alpha hydrogens. Remembered how to count alpha hydrogens? I told you. Year 3 alpha hydrogens. Total 6 alpha hydrogens. This is a major. This is a major. Okay, which major? Sagev scientist. According to the Sagev, this is a major product. Okay, and this is minor. But 1-ene is minor. But 2-ene is major. Okay. Next, shall try next question. What will be the product?
How to say, ma'am?
Just remove Br and H.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Same diagram, but Br is not there and double bond is there.
Very good. That's it. H and Br, just hydrogen and halogen from adjacent positions you have to remove. In even reaction, what you have done? First you removed H plus, First you removed halogen, created a carbocation, doing a rearrangement, ring expansion, ring contraction, or whatever it is that you will do, and then only last you will remove the beta hydrogen, put a double bond. But in case of E2, no such things, anything, one H and one Br remove karo, एक double bond add karo.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Clear? Remove that and put a double bond. समझ आया? और एक क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो, कोशिश करो शाल राम पटेल.
Ma'am, same diagram, ma'am, but hydrogen, ma'am, here. Carbon is there.
Yes, no, same diagram. Tell me. Shall I put one double bond here? Come on, good.
Ma'am, but no, ma'am. Carbon is there, ma'am.
What but? Carbon there means? How many of you able to do this? All wrong answers only Shaval will say. Come on, tell me. How many of you correct answer? Correct answer. How many of you able to do this? Come on. No one is able to do. Okay, wrong answer. Very good. Wrong answer. What Shaval is trying to say is, ma'am, here Br is there fine, but here hydrogen not there. So you cannot remove it and you cannot make the double bond. Shaval, correct na?
Yes, ma'am.
Kannada nalli heli.
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು.
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಏನು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Quaternary carbon. Coming up to here from, but like if I ask some chemistry question, what do you say, ma'am? Coming up to here, ma'am, but not coming, no? Same way, Kannada coming up to there. Actually, I joined Kannada class, yeah. Just 1 week I attended the class, but my father expired, so I quit the class. After that, I didn't join back. Next year I'll join. But next year definitely I want to learn Tamil. Yeah, my next language is Tamil. I'm missing to talk to many students in their mother tongue. I'll do it soon. I'll do it. This BR and Kannada I'll finish soon, Shal. In your marriage time I'll talk in Kannada only. Okay, you should call me. You. And you know that time you are an MD of your hospital, okay? And your wife also should be a doctor, okay? Yes, promise? Yes or no?
I don't know about wife, ma'am.
You will become doctor, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a doctor, automatically doctor wife only your parents will see. Okay, come on. Ether oxide. Now tell me ether oxide, come on. Deekshit and Manisha sometimes telling, do marriage for me, mummy. No. Comedy. Bring stick, I'll do. Now let's see this Br and there is no hydrogen here, okay? So no double bond, no reaction. No reaction. Okay, no reaction. Very good. Very good. Keep the heading. All of you. Even CB reaction. Even CB reactions. Come on. Even CB reactions. Keep the heading. The last part of reaction mechanism chapter. Even CB reactions. What are even CB? Unimolecular elimination reactions with respect to conjugate base. Unimolecular elimination reactions with respect to, what is this unimolecular? See, even means first halogen goes out, carbocation forms, rearrangement takes place, then double bond will form. What is E2? No carbocation, nothing. One hydrogen, one halogen goes out. Even CB, completely reverse of even reaction. First, beta hydrogen goes out. This base like OH minus comes and abstract it. This hydrogen. Then one electron, little complexity will be there, little. But don't worry, not that much important. There will be only one reaction in the textbook related to this. I'll tell you what is that. So, this H plus, first this OH minus goes and abstract. Then if H plus goes out, negative charge will be left on the carbon. After that, carbon as it is, Lg as it is, bond as it is. So what I didn't do anything. Just I removed H plus and I kept the negative charge. This is clear. What is EWG meaning is electron withdrawing group. Don't worry what are electron withdrawing groups. Everything you will learn under class 11. I will teach you. GOC is going to start. After that you will learn what is electron withdrawing group. Lg means leaving group. Leaving group. The nature of leaving group should be, in every case the leaving group should be good leaving groups. Any leaving group favors, but poor leaving groups is a good even CB reaction. If the leaving group is poor, it is a faster even CB reaction because of presence of electron withdrawing group. Why? Because an electron withdrawing group at beta carbon, what will happen? Beta carbon, what do you mean by beta carbon? Leaving group connected carbon is alpha carbon. That next carbon is beta carbon. Okay? To the beta carbon, electron withdrawing group must be connected. Okay? See what I am telling. What do you mean by electron withdrawing group? Electron pulling group. Why, ma'am? Whenever electron pulling group is there, it pulls the negative charge on that carbon so that the negativity decreases. What will happen when negativity decreases? Stability will increase. What happens? Stability will increase. Everybody clear? Stability will increase. Camera of students are there in evening batch and morning batch. Some students. Give me 1 or 2 days time. See what I do. Marriage with stigma. I am far, no, so I can't do that. One call I'll give it to your mom. She will only complete it. Finish. Diwali, Deepavali, Sankranti, everything will come. Festivals. Yes, no? Velu Murugan, doubt, huh? Good boy.
Ma'am, can I join the evening class, ma'am? Now I have online class from my school.
Oh, you have online class now?
Yes, ma'am. Today here it's government holiday due to typhoon. So online class they kept 9 o'clock.
Which
They
subject?
sent the link now.
Which subject?
I didn't check it, but the link is zoology, I guess.
Okay. Okay. Usually you attend the evening, no?
Yes, ma'am. Class
Your father is doing work from home?
Now he works in a clinic, ma'am.
Oh, he's a doctor?
Both mother and father doctor.
Oh, super. Okay. And they don't get the time to teach, you know? They get the time?
Mother only gets time. Father, no. During the weekends only he will teach.
Okay. So you only learning everything on yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. Good boy. Okay, no problem. You join evening. Okay? Good.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good boy. Now, let us see the conditions, everybody. Presence of electron withdrawing group at beta carbon. See, this is the carbon now. Here electron withdrawing group is there. It will pull the electron so that carbon anion will form. This carbon anion gets the stability because of this electron withdrawing group. It pulls the electron so that negative charge decreases on that carbon and stability increases on that carbon. So must condition is electron withdrawing group. And another condition is, although even CB occurs with all leaving groups, but poor leaving group favors even CB. Any leaving group is okay, but usually we see fluorine. Okay, because fluorine is a weak, poor leaving group. Why poor leaving groups favor? Because this carbon anion forms, no, it will shift and it will push the leaving group out. What will happen? Electron withdrawing group, after that carbon, and then this negative charge it will push here, and then this leaving group goes out. Suppose if you want me to finish the valency, another bond I have to put on the carbon. Say I am not satisfying the valency. Suppose let's say if you want me to satisfy the valency of carbon, just I'll keep one more bond here from starting. Okay. Then here also same thing. One hydrogen, one leaving group you are removing and putting a double bond. But here the intermediate is carbon anion. What is the intermediate here? Carbon anion is the intermediate. What is the proof that carbon anion is the intermediate? Keep the heading. Experimental evidence in the support of carbon anion formation. What is the proof? What is the proof that carbon anion is the intermediate? Here deuterium exchange takes place. That is the proof. Copy exactly how it is on the screen. I'll explain you. I think you have a practice sheet. 1 second, wait. Okay, before one question is there now. Okay. Write exactly as it is. First question you write. From second question you have in practice sheet. No need to write. Only first question you write. This is the, I am going to show you the proof that in even CB carbon anion is going to form. That proof I am going to show you. If you feel this even CB little tough, don't worry. 1 or 2 times give a practice. If you want to, any of you want to ignore also, ma'am, I don't want to cross 160. For me 150, 155, 140 is sufficient. If you say, you can skip it. No ma'am, I want 180, I want cash price of 1 lakh rupees. Then you have to have a look of everything. You should not leave anything. Done now? Copied the first question. Okay. Now listen everybody. Listen everybody. First this ethoxide. First this ethoxide ion is there, right? This ethoxide ion, it will go and abstract the H plus. Once it goes and which H plus it will abstract? Wherever electron withdrawing group connected carbon, that group it will pull it. Once it takes that H plus, then it results in the formation of carbon anion and then carbon, here bond and leaving group. Okay. Then what it is doing? You are taking ethoxide, that ethoxide have went and took that H plus. After that, these two has to shift here. This will shift here. I mean, this is the electron withdrawing group and the carbon. When the negative charge shift here, double bond will form and the leaving group goes out. Along with this, as you are taking deuterium ethoxide also, additionally, that deuterium ethoxide gives D plus, ETO minus D plus. That D plus will come and attack on this carbon anion and we will be getting an additional product here, deuterium product. So this is a proof that deuterium is coming and attacking here, means there is a carbon anion is an intermediate which is forming. That's why the deuterium is attacking here. This is the experimental evidence that carbon anion is the intermediate in even CB reaction. So every one of you should tell me, remember, even CB, what is the intermediate? Carbon anion. Even reaction, what is the intermediate? Carbocation. Whereas E2 reaction, no intermediate. Anti-elimination takes place. Okay? Now, let's see the practice sheet number 2. What you have to do is, this OH minus first goes and abstract the H plus. So once it will check where H plus is there. So it will abstract the H plus, carbon anion will form. Then the carbon anion will shift like this and opposite manner fluorine goes out. So Cl, C, Cl, double bond, C and F. Simply to say remove one H, remove one fluorine, put a double bond. Without any mechanism, if you want to write, means remove one hydrogen, remove one halogen, put a double bond. Same way. See ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion, what you will do? In presence of deuterium ethoxide, if you take, then first electron withdrawing group is NO2. This is the place where it will abstract. So NH3 plus. If you don't know NH3 plus and NO2 which is more, you just remember now NO2 is a powerful group. It will abstract the H plus from the NO2 adjacent carbon. After this, these two shift here, these two shift here. Then CH2 double bond CH, definitely practice is needed for this topic. NH3 abstract that lone pair, 2 electrons, then it gets negative charge, negative and positive becomes neutral, you get ammonia. Along with this, you are taking deuterium ethoxide, which is a proof that carbon anion is an intermediate. So one of the deuterium plus ion, it will go and it will attack that carbon anion and it results in the formation of, see, that deuterium D plus will come. T plus will come here and NO2 is your product. Okay? Everybody done? Got the clarity? See the next one. Ethoxide ion. What will be formed here? Ethoxide. First NO2, next carbon is, withdrawing group is NO2, next carbon is alpha carbon, NO2 connected carbon, ethoxide goes, see this is N plus, small change, this is N plus, NO2 connected carbon, this ethoxide will go and take, then it results in the formation of carbon anion. After that, this is a base is there like this N plus, no, these two shift here, these 2 electrons it will take, it results in the formation of nitroethene plus pyridine is our side product. What you are doing, first you have to create a carbon anion, slowly take one pen and paper, check today. NO2 withdrawing group, I have to remove H plus, then I'll make a carbon anion, then carbon anion I'll shift like this, then next bond I'll shift, when carbon anion shift, double bond will form, next bond shift, it goes out, leaving group. So what is the condition for even CB? Electron withdrawing group, beta hydrogen, N4 leaving group like a fluorine, it should be present, or any other leaving groups. Let's say next one, electron withdrawing group is aldehyde, next carbon in the presence of a base like OH minus, what will happen? CH3, CH, OH, CH minus, carbon anion will form, and then CHO as it is there. These two shift here, OH is a poor leaving group which you studied. Then it is CH3, CH double bond CH and then CHO plus OH minus will be formed. Clear? Got the clarity everybody? Little toughness is there, no? Please practice. First create a carbon anion, do a shift and then remove the molecule leaving group, you eliminate it. Once you follow these 5 questions, easily you will do it. Then, now open your practice sheet number 5. But before going to do the practice sheet number 5, let's see how to write the half-man's product. What is this half-man's product? How to write a half-man's product? I am going to teach you now. Put the heading. Cases when half-man alkene is a major product. Till now what you have learned? Everybody, Sajef's product is a major product you have learned. Am I right? Now, you are going to learn now when half-man product is a major product. These are the conditions when you see these things on the arrow. That bulkiness of the bases. If they give on arrow tertiary butoxide like this, TBuO minus, or Me3CO minus or this bulky structure. Whenever bulky structures are present, till now what you studied minor product, that minor will become major. Less crowded product is minor you studied till now, that less crowded becomes major because it is a bulky base. Bulky base cannot attack crowded side. So less crowded side only it can go and it can take H plus. What do you mean by base? Base is the one which abstracts H plus ion. So bulky base is the base which goes and take the H plus ion only from the less crowded side. Only from the less crowded side. Everybody clear? Got the clarity? Write it, copy the structures, 3 structures, tertiary butoxide, isopropylamine or isopropyl ethylamine you write. Ethyl group is there on nitrogen. Ethylamine, isopropylamine also bulkier only. Okay, 2,6 ditertiary butyl pyridine. 2,6 ditertiary butyl pyridine. What do you say? Clear? Done? Very good. Now, whenever you see these bulky bases, what you have to do? Already question is there. Okay, no need to copy. You have already question. When you have these bulky bases, then what you have to do? You have to, first let's take small base as usual. Write 2 products. What you will do? E2 reaction means, let's say for example, 1H, 1Br, you remove. One product. See how I am going to do. CH3, CH3, CH, CH3, and 1H and 1Br you remove, you put a double bond. Plus, what is the another possibility, can you say? Remembered? E2 reaction, just now we discussed 1H and 1Br remove and write the product. So, beta hydrogen you have to remove and write the product. Then, CH, oh, both same I am writing. CH, then CH double bond CH2. In this, tell me Shal.
Ma'am, but Br and hydrogen should be in opposite side, no ma'am?
Opposite side only. This is normal structure. Normally I have written. Okay.
Oh.
This rotation is possible, no, in this. Rotation is possible. Free rotation. One H and Br goes out. There, for your understanding, I have showed you in opposite direction. There, free rotation is possible. You can rotate and you can remove. Now, in this, you shall tell me which is major, which is minor. Which is more crowded alkene?
First one.
First one, that's it. This is a major, this is minor. Why? Because top one is double bond, you put in brackets and you in box, you see I told you 1, 2, 3. Total 9 alpha hydrogens are there, more bulkiness is there, steric crowding is there, major according to Sechef. Double bond you see, here it is connected with only one bulky group. So more crowded is major, and you count alpha hydrogens also. On this carbon only one hydrogen is directly present, whereas above 9 alpha hydrogens are present. Major, minor. But if instead of ethoxide, if tertiary butoxide is there, means that major becomes minor, minor becomes major. That is half man's product. What do you mean by half man's product? When bulky base is there, more crowded side, which is more crowded side, this hydrogen, because it is surrounded by two methyl groups. That side it cannot attack. Least crowded this side it will come, and it will take that one butene. It will take and it will form CH double bond CH2. This is our major. This is our major. Other one will be our minor. What is our minor? More crowded will be our minor. This is according to which product? Can you say? Bulkiness is there means half man product. Small bases means Sage-Jeff's product. Sage-Jeff's product. Okay? Sage-Jeff's product. What do you mean by Sage? This is Sage-Jeff's product. This is half man's product. Got the clarity? Everybody crystal clear? Done? Very good, very good, very good. Super, super. Moving. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Your time starts now. I don't want all the 2 products. Only write major product when you take methylamine. Only write major product when you take isopropylamine. Okay? Manat, done? Very good, very good. Come on, keep trying everybody. Try. Which is major? Which is major? Ethers not there, but Williamson ether synthesis, one small 6-minute video clip I'll be sharing to you today. Okay, what you have to do is that 10-minute. The 10-minute video you put in 1x speed as usual, 1.5 you put also, no problem. Finish it and do our worksheet. Okay. The top exercise is there, no. Finish that and do that top worksheet. Which top worksheet? This worksheet. This worksheet. If any doubt is there also, tomorrow I'll discuss with you all. You can ask me, ma'am, this worksheet I didn't get this point. Very, you have to do it. Do it. Manat, unmute. Hello, Manat.
Hello, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the product in the first case?
Ma'am, first we will draw the cyclopentane
Okay.
with the methyl group attached.
Okay.
And then at this position, we will put
Up or down. Okay. Correct.
Yes.
Very good. This is which product? This is more crowded place. There are two possibilities. See, this chlorine adjacent carbons. What are the adjacent carbons? This and this. This is beta 1. Many questions we have done. Beta 2. This beta 1 because both are same kind of carbons. This is beta 2. Now outside if you remove less crowded, inside if you remove more crowded. So more crowded is major according to Sage-Jeff's. Sage-Jeff's major product is endocyclic product. Endocyclic. Within the brackets within the ring double bond is present. Okay. Now tell me this one.
Ma'am, at beta 2 position we will put
Yes,
double
very
bond.
good. So beta 2 position cyclopentene, beta 2 position will put the double bond. Okay. This is which product, Manat?
Hoffman.
Half-man major product. So what is this half-man's product is? Oh my God. What is this half-man's product is? Whenever there is a bulkiness is there, that cannot go and abstract this crowded place and cannot form a double bond. Base function is go and take H+. That's it. If it is a nucleophile, go and form a bond with that carbon. But base means means it will go and take H plus. So less crowded side, more, if it is a bulky base, less crowded side is major. If it is a small base, more crowded side is major. Good girl, Manar. Come on, high five. Good. Keep it up. With this, your chapter of reaction mechanism is done. What you have to do is, today I have given you one homework, Williamson ether synthesis, completion of a small clip and solving the practice sheet question. Tomorrow class, randomly I'll call the names and I'll ask, and you are going to have the examination on IUPAC nomenclature. Today we have completed last day of 2 chapters last day. Actually this topic I would have completed on the last day only. Okay, half an hour topic only left. Today I've taken some additional class and I've finished, because that extension drags so much of time, so I've taken. Tell me, IUPAC, when is your exam? IUPAC. Put in chat box. Put in chat box last class. I told you Friday. Very good. When is reaction mechanism exam? Saturday. When is your doubt session? Tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be your doubt session. Around 3 p.m. you will be your doubt session. I'll talk to sir. I'll ask sir which time it is convenient for the sir. Whether it is 3 p.m. or evening, I'll confirm the session. And even I'll make the video available also, that PDF also, for the students who are not able to attend the session. I'll request sir and I'll make that availability also, so that if anyone go to the school or anything, you can cross verify what other students are asking the doubts. Okay? And tomorrow new chapters are going to start in both the tracks. Right? What are the most important things you have to learn in this chapter? SN1 reaction, SN2 reactions, E1 reaction, E2 reaction. What is SN1 reaction? Carbocation intermediate. What is SN2 reaction? This transition state is an intermediate. In SN1 case, weak nucleophile favors. Tertiary alkyl halides undergo FASTA. Front attack, back attack takes place, will be getting racemic mixture, but back product is little major we discussed. Am I right? Tell me, for SN2 reaction, transition state will form, back attack will happen, and what will be the product will be getting? Inversion product will be getting. Strong nucleophile favors SN2 reaction. And can you say that solvents, which type of solvents? Polar protic solvents favors SN1 reaction, polar aprotic solvents favors SN2 reaction. Okay now? And then tell me that leaving groups, both are poor leaving groups, good leaving groups only favor. If halogen directly connected to the double bonded sp2 carbon like vinyl halide and benzene phenyl halide, bridged halogens, they don't undergo either SN1 or SN2, such type of reactions they don't undergo. Done? And coming to the elimination reactions, how many types of elimination reactions? 3 types of elimination reactions. E1, E2, E1 CB. What is E1 elimination reaction? Unimolecular elimination reaction. First halogen goes out, carbocation forms, rearrangement takes place, then beta H plus goes out, double bond will form. What is E2 reaction? Halogen and hydrogen both goes at a time. Double bond will form. What is E1 CB? First H plus goes out, carbon anion forms, shifting of the negative charge into pi bond, and then leaving group goes out. That is E1 CB. What is Sejev's reaction? Major product is, which is a major product? Can you say which is a major product? Sejev, more crowded alkene is a major product. But a less crowded alkene, when it is a major product? When we take a bulky base, then less crowded alkene is a major product. Okay, less crowded alkene major product when you take bulky base. What are the bulky bases? Tertiary butoxide is a bulky base, and this one, what is that? Diisopropylamine is a bulkier base. Ethylamine or diisopropylamine is a bulky base. Tertiary butyl, 2 tertiary butyl groups are connected at first and 6th position to the pyridine, which is a bulky base. These are the most common bulkier bases. If such type of bases are present, less crowded alkene is the major. Understand? So you should be very careful with SN1 and E1. Why SN1 and E1? In SN1 and E1 only, ring expansions, ring contractions and shifts takes place. How to identify ring expansion? If positive charge is present outside of the ring, then ring expansion. If positive charge is present exactly on the ring, ring contraction. If any kinds of shifts are happening, then ring shifts. I mean shifts. What are the shifts? Possible shifts, tell me. 1, 2 hydride shift, 1, 2 aryl shift, 1, 2 phenyl shift, 1, 2 methyl shift. These kinds of shifts will happen. Can you tell me the migratory aptitude order? Hydride, next phenyl, tertiary, secondary, primary. What is the reactivity order? I mean stability order of alkyl halides for SN1, tertiary greater than, secondary greater than, primary. Can you tell me for SN1, primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary? Understand? Everybody clear? What do you say? Done? Tomorrow, Shweta Bindu. No, no. Oh, thank you. Clear? Everybody clear? Okay, stand up all of you. Jayanish.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Jayanish. Good morning. No school today?
No, on the day.
Yes, yes. Tell me, Jayanish.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am, that IUPAC nomenclature test is on Friday or Thursday.
Today, Tuesday, no. Wednesday, Thursday, 2 days preparation time. You'll be having exam on Friday.
Friday and the reaction mechanism on Saturday, right?
Saturday.
Thank you.
Okay.
So much, ma'am.
So, to write exam well, Vibhutina, from year to year. Good boy. Vaishnavi, any doubt? Stand up, all of you, stand up. Vaishnavi, good morning.
मैम आज मेरा बर्थडे है.
क्या हुआ?
Today is my birthday.
Your birthday?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Happy birthday, Vaishnavi. Many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You
Vaishnavi,
are looking so beautiful.
what is the resolution you are going to take today?
To chase my dream come true this year.
To change your dream now or to chase your dream?
Please. To complete my
Your
dream.
dream. I heard like to change my dream. Okay, okay. Chase your dream. Okay. What's your dream?
Ma'am. Doctor, MBBS. Try for MBBS.
Only cut.
This is 100%.
Knife. What you are doing? If you see knife at home, simply you will take and you do like this, huh? No?
No.
I have seen your seniors, yeah. They are very like innocent and fearful. When they are talking, also easily I can identify. They are very soft, kind-hearted. But after when going into this MBBS, no, all bones they are bringing outside and doing searching. Come on, oh, that I got vomiting sensation that night when I saw that video clip that girl shared. Actually, I lost it. My phone now so much data. Even I purchased that OnePlus, but even it is some data I have lost. That video I searched also to show you. From five. She separated. That one girl and one mini group is there. Our girl student or boy student, not remember. From brain they separated. From brain to that our spinal cord ending brain with the spinal cord connectivity down to the spinal cord tails are there. For us tails will be the small 3, 4 like for our hair down like that the tails are there. After seeing that I felt like oh my god. The best profession. I cannot this. That time I thought I should become doctor. Thought I should become doctor and I took BPC. I should write some exam. I thought if I take first PU, second PU PUC. Biology group means I'll become doctor, I thought.
Ma'am, from the dead body, the bad smell is also coming. They put some chemicals because they are so many year old, but medical student practicing it.
Great, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
But
ma'am.
why you
Bye.
want to become doctor if you know all this? No. Then
Yes,
why-
yes, ma'am. I want to become a civil servant by cracking UPSC from class 10th. But in my family, all cousins are MBBS, MD. Because of that, I also want to become MBBS, then give the exams.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Nice,
ma'am.
nice. Good girl.
That is it.
Vaishnavi, we all wish that all your dreams should, must come true. Okay? Wish you many more happy returns of the day, and all your friends will sing a small song for you, and you are a lucky girl because today the class over little 2 minutes earlier, so you got like a wishings. Come on, all of you unmute and wish. Even Prashant, your birthday today. Prashant, your birthday, na?